think I have some puke on my hiking shoe, but you know, we're keeping it real. It's about midnight, which I appreciate is not late. Went to bed at 8 p.m, so I thought I'd sleep for a few hours because got a big day ahead. But first, coffee, lots of it. So this is Debbie. She's come to visit from the UK, and we are hiking up Mount BATUR today. We left at 1:45 a.m. and we drove for about 2 hours. Yeah. And the drive was so windy I puked. So now we're just, I think I have some puke on my hiking shoe, but you know, we're keeping it real.
No, we're just waiting for the guide.
Yes, to start our hike, and everybody keeps saying it's going to be cold, but I don't think so.
We didn't bring a big jacket.
No, and we've got our Lululemons on, so that's what matters. So there you go. It's probably going to be too dark to film the stars.
We'll see.
We'll see.
See what we can do.
Got Debbie's phone. In this edition of Debbie and Sara Explore, we just hiked up Mount BATUR with the amazing Komang, our guide, Mowgli, who held my hand because there were some bits that were really steep and it was very dark, so we had our little head torches on, and now we've made it to the top. Yay! How many hours?
Time.
How many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours. Yes.
And we have a drink.
Yes, and we
Sara
have our
and
coffee.
Debbie, perfect.
So there's a little bit of fog, so hopefully that's going to clear and we can see the sunrise. So an Eddie no ular was found today. So we're eating humble pie about not feeling cold. So we took our tops off. Maybe 10 minutes into the hike?
Yeah, it's too hot.
It was too hot. And now that we're at the top of the volcano
And stopped walking,
it's actually quite cold. And then look, the crater is behind us.
Fall back.
Mum, Dad, if you saw that, she was pretending.
It is behind us though.
So it's still quite foggy. So Debbie is like ready. And every time there's a break in the clouds for like a millisecond, please don't drop my coffee, Mr. Doggo. Sorry. It's our first monkey sighting. And again, he doesn't care about us because we don't have any food. Hello, do you know coffee? Did you? Oh God. So we are gonna go get some breakfast now, which we think are eggs and bananas, which have been cooked in the steam of the volcano.
We're gonna breakfast.
Breakfast!
Yes, you're gonna. Give some.
Come on, Debbie, go on.
Take this.
Yeah. You got, because I need to film you though.
I know, but I've got to make sure I don't. Oh no, I don't want to get that.
Oh, come on.
Oh no! You're not actually that bad once you take it, because you're like, oh. Don't go in the crater. Oh God.
Oh, the poor little ones are making noises because they haven't. Oh my gosh, look at the crater! I almost tripped on the dog.
Like that one, doesn't it?
No. So now we're gonna see where they cook the eggs and steam the bananas, and it's actually really warm.
Sarah, you putting your hand in? Hang on. Okay, go.
Go ahead.
So hard. I think you need to try it.
Okay, here we go. That's so warm.
It is.
Wow. Is that not hot?
You can hear
Oh,
some
warm.
It's like
Oh wow. It's like snap,
Is it
crackle
the
and pop.
sea? Is it the sound of the sea?
yeah.
Snap, crackle and pop. Oh yeah.
I don't trust you, Colin.
Oh yeah.
Trying to take some with you.
Yeah. Volcanic memory.
Ready?
Ready. This is some of the trail that we skied down. Yeah, Debbie's got a ski pole, so we skied down. And then that's what we are still out to do. You've got steam just over there, mixed with all the fog over there.
So we started down there, went all the way up here. There's Sarah. Walked all the way up there. Walked all the way up there in the cloud,
Yeah. Scenery.
and then around there and down.
Oh, good.
Look, our new guide. Yes, coming, just taking a video. So we just finished the hike down, which I thought wasn't such a cardio exercise as the hike up, but you still really have to watch your step. It was a little bit foggy, but we could still manage to wait to see the sun come out and got some amazing views of the volcano crater. What is good for absolutely nothing. For video, say hello! Gotta get sunrise! Sunrise!